Hi all. Today I'll be addressing a very difficult topic which everybody is directly or indirectly trying to run away from. The topic is how to cope up after the breakup. See, the most difficult situation is when you lose somebody you plan to live along forever. Because when we enter any relationship, that is what is our thought process. But suddenly, what happens is one day we realize that everything has ended. Reasons can be immense: betrayal, mutual breakup, or something like that. But what happens then? What is the situation? See, astrologically, I can explain numerous reasons around it. What the transit happened, what was the dasha, what was it written, Ashtavarga was low, house was weak, something was malefic. Too many. No use talking about it because whatever was supposed to happen has or has happened now. That means the end already had reached, and now how to cope up with it. What happens is when we break up, our seventh house is in stress. The house of relationship is in stress. And what happens is it's a mirror image or reverse of our first house, which is Lagna, that is us, me, my body. It is very often seen that what happens is as soon as the breakup happens, the person body starts changing. Initially it's in stress, loses weight, think, because a lot of thinking is going on. But later on what it changes out, that improvement starts coming, the self development starts coming, the career starts improving. Lot of such things keep on happening. What happens is when seventh goes low, the first goes higher. And when the first goes higher, it's an automatic reaction that me myself improve, because I start working or anybody will start working on themselves. You know what is astrology? Astrology is about study of me, myself, person, individual. It's more like a selfish view that how that person will react, act, or how what will be happening with the outside world, it will be happening towards it. And it is more like a karmic relationship of a person with outside world. So it's a micro level view of seeing to the situation how I am and how other people will be reacting. Now what happens is when the breakup happens, it's a lot of stress. Now how to cope up, what are the remedies, how I will come out of it, how I will enter into the my better part of life, how will I live, I want to die, I don't want to live without that person. That person becomes the whole world around us, that karmic connection comes into the focus. See, the easier ways, what I always say is don't go for artificial improvements. Don't wear the stones. Don't try to go for the things. Don't try to think, because end of the day, astrologers want to make money out of you. They need to feed on like people who will come out there for asking for these things or these kind of reactions, and then they will sell you something. No, that's not the right way. The right way comes is with healing. See, healing is a long process. Healing takes time. The first thing is you need to give time. It will not come like immediately like this, because one house is getting weaker, other is getting stronger, and it takes time, and it will develop slowly. So first thing is you need time. Second thing is when we talk about karmic connection, we have to understand one karmic connection has broken now. It's no more there. When one karmic connection gets broken, it's something like death has happened. And the karmic healing is slow. And how we heal karmic pain, because pain is inevitable. How we actually heal through that is, again, when we develop ourselves, our feelings, our emotions, then those again are developed into the second stage of life. See, these patterns are more is like when we are working on developing ourselves, then we are strengthening house one. House one is Lagan house. That's me again. See, point is this, that pain is the portal of growth. That's why even when we exercise, people tell us no pain, no gain. It's the same way when our life gives us pain, it's the portal of growth. And on this note, I will again try to say something like what we need to understand is some people are supposed to live in our hearts, not in our lives. And we have to build this feeling of let go in us and start developing us to strengthen our Lagan house so we come out of it. And that's the only solution to cope up with breakups. Thank you.